be honest, I got to pick up the pace in a major way here. Kitchen cabinets have been ordered, but I need to get a few more measurements. Mary Beth's going to come over and give me a hand. Look, with a little bit of luck, a little bit of help, and a major miracle, I might be able to pull this one off. Kitchen light in here, bedroom lights, and then I need some measurements on the kitchen. Right there.
You have in here.
Do me a favor. Mary Beth, everything. I mean, everything could go wrong has to go wrong with this process.
I don't know how I'm sure he's going to be able to get all of this done in the 2 weeks that he said he was going to do it. On top of that, we're going on vacation. Have you told Peter that we're going on vacation? Does he know we're going on vacation? David.
What?
Stephen.
What?
You did not tell Peter.
I haven't told him yet. It's not that I forgot I was going on vacation. I mean, I just got a little cocky.
You gotta tell him.
I'll tell him later.
Don't tell him now.
No.
You can't. What are you gonna call him from the plane? This is craziness. He's got to get this taken care of. He has to call Peter, and he has to call Peter now before he has a complete fit over him.